In this video, we will display the error message when the number of characters in the name field is less than 4 characters. We have already defined the validation by including the minlength attribute with value as 4. We also know that when the number of characters in the text field is less than 4 characters, then minlength object is internally created by Angular in the errors property of ng model. Let us now implement the display of the message using minlength object. I am copying and pasting the existing div tag that contains the mandatory field validation message. Then I am removing required property in the ngIf directive and changing it as minlength, which ensures that minlength validation message is displayed when the errors object contains the minlength object. Notice that required property is boolean, minlength property is an object. Even though minlength is not a boolean and it is an object, we have included it in the ngIf directive. This is where the ngIf directive is flexible. ngIf considers it as false if the object is null and true if the object is not null. Hope this helps to understand the reason why minlength is included here. Now I am changing the div tag content with the validation message name field should be minimum 4 characters. In summary, this div tag content will be shown if the errors object contains the minlength object, and also notice that we are retaining the checks for touch, dirty and invalid. The changes are now completed. I am saving the file. After the page reload, I am typing a character in the name field. We can see an appropriate message displayed which denotes that minimum 4 characters are required. If I go ahead and type 4 characters, then the new message is not displayed. If I clear all the 4 characters, then the mandatory field message is shown. With this, we have successfully completed the implementation to display the validation message for minimum length. Hope this demonstrates how additional validation messages can be included for an input text field. Let me summarize the changes to be done. Copy and paste the existing div tag that displays the mandatory field message. Then change required to minlength. Then change the message within the div tag appropriately. Save and check the name field with 1 character, 4 characters and as empty field to see if appropriate messages are shown. In the next video, we will simplify the way the conditions are defined in the ngIf directive.